from the country to another, and this video is all about that. The situation had become very bad where I was staying, so I decided to move here temporarily at my native or at my parents' place for the time being. I will go back soon, but currently I'm staying here, and that's why I decided to share my travel experience. If you like the video, do not forget to hit that like button. Also, if you're watching me or my channel for the first time, please subscribe because I come with new videos every week. So without further blabbering, let's get right into the video. So guys, I finally reached the airport. This is the Bangalore airport. I'm inside the washroom and I'm shooting here because I'm very conscious while shooting outside. So let me give you a brief update of how it's like to travel during COVID-19. First, before you check in, before you enter the airport, they will do a temperature scan when you are dragging your luggage towards the entrance, and then you will have to do a mandatory web check-in, and it will come in your mail 12 hours before your departure, and then you can take that and scan that at the entrance, and they will check your ID. They will ask you to remove your mask to identify who you are, and then they will allow you to enter. After entering, I got my boarding pass printed like the normal procedure, and after that you go to the security. Today, and while entering, I saw a difference. Like in the counter, there were very few representatives, like normally compared to what it was before the COVID-19, and the count of the people was also pretty low, which is good actually. And then I saw another thing, that is during security, I had some water in my bottle and I forgot to remove it, and I thought they will ask me to remove because that is the usual procedure. And when I told them that, oh, should I remove the water, they told me to just let it go, and they allowed me to go through security with water in my bottle, which is the first time. It has never happened with me before. So they are not that strict, but if you have any laptop or something like that, then you need to take it out and then again keep it in your luggage. And yeah, so that's the procedure. I am finally at the airport. Now my waiting will start and I'll show you guys around. And I am flying to Calcutta right now from Bangalore. So this is my first flight during COVID-19, and I'll see you guys in a short while. Close, but there are some food counters which are more or less closed, and yeah, that was one of the first food counters that I encountered that was closed, and I'm walking towards the remaining ones. Let's see. Here there is a coffee shop that I can see, that is this one, which is still open and functioning. People are lying in the red sofas and all are sleeping, that's all. And you can see my spot there, that is KFC, towards which I am heading because I'm a little hungry. And a lot of other shops are also there, but they are also closed. All, like, as you can see, all these shops will be usually running, but they are now closed. And the airport is also quite empty. So that is the food scenario, and they don't allow food on board, like after boarding the flight. And at the airport, which is quite a big airport, still the shops are closed. So guys, currently I am at the KFC counter waiting for my order to come. There are no staff there. I literally had to wake somebody up to give me my food, and there are very few people here. It's currently 2:30 a.m. at the morning, and I'm waiting for my food. I'm very hungry. I can't wait for my food, and I know it's a little risky, but still this was the only option left. So I am availing the service at the food counter and see what's the scenario like. Guys, my food is here, and the food, like, I ordered them like large popcorn, and they gave me 2 regular popcorn because they had run out of container for large popcorn. So that shows the condition, how pathetic it is. But I can understand, due to COVID-19 the situation is like this. So I'm going to put on some hand sanitizer and then enjoy my Guys, the body shop is also completely empty. I'm really tempted to go inside and shop something, but I don't really need it. And I'm not going to do that. I haven't gone for physical shopping like this in so long. I haven't gone to any mall or anything in 4-5 months. So this is quite... So guys, I made it to the Calcutta airport. At the Calcutta airport, they were not checking anything. They gave a self-declaration form, but they were not. We were not asked to fill it up. Also, they did not check the Aaryo Yoga Setu app or even the Savdhani app, which is specifically for West Bengal. No checking was done. They did not give us any helmet also for all the passengers while boarding. And now I am in the home quarantine for 2 weeks, and I'll see you guys after that. So that was my experience. I am currently in home quarantine for 2 weeks. I haven't completed my 2 weeks yet. I traveled on the 1st of August here. So I'll be here till at least 14th of August in my room. The update is that I am doing well. There are no symptoms as of now. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I will be fine. And I hope that you guys like my video. Let me know in the comments what you think and how you guys are doing. I would love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.